Hey, Sabi here. Welcome to the video. This is the update number 5 of me trying to build a $5,000 per month business with Instagram Faceless theme page. Okay, so this is my page right here. That is Millionaire Tribe. Let's take a look at the stats real quick. Okay, so I started this on 2nd September of 2024. That is last month, and today it's 18th October 2024. Right. So from the last update, let me just okay, that's fine. So 10th October, it was like about 47 overall followers that I got, and now on 18th October it's just 49. So that's just couple of followers, and to be honest, that kind of sucks, and I'm not sure what is going wrong. So if you go into my page, and I'm just posting reels, okay, and you can see I am getting consistent views. All right, 1500, 1500, 1500, 2000, 1500 plus. Every single one of them is over 1500. Just last couple of them was like 500 and 350 something, and it is still receiving some kind of views every single hour. But the conversion rate from all these views, accumulated views to followers, is kind of low. And on last 10 days it's just 2 followers. As you can see, 75 posts, 132 followers, and here it is 91 posts and 134 followers only. That's just plus 2 followers. Now, I'm not a master of Instagram traffic or anything, but it should still have a better result in here. By the way, last when there was a gap, I was getting an average of 1 or 2 followers a day, but here I just only got 2 followers in last 10 days. That's just like 1 follower every 5 days. That's very, very bad. But that is okay. I'm not going to give up, and I want to build this. I want to build this Faceless brand, and I know people are making a lot of money with this. By the way, the rest of the stats is fine. 54,000 accounts reached, 83,000 views. This is over last 30 days, okay? And more stats, like if I want to go and show you more insights, let me just go to the professional dashboard here. You can see insights, okay? Let me just click on insights, account. So you can see, my best performing reel here, that is of about 5,000 views, which was posted on 21 September. Then these are all there, right? And this one was really recent, okay? And you can see interactions. I actually got 4,000 plus interactions. Accounts engaged is 3,700, and still I only got 2 followers. Well, something to take a look at. So I think I actually have to make a little change on maybe caption, on my captions on my reels, so that they see my follow call to action much better and see how it goes. Again, I'm documenting this live in front of you, right? By the way, please do not follow, right? If you want to go to my page and check out the reels and such, that is fine, but please don't follow, as I do not want to mess up my stats, mess up my following stats. So if 10 followers go from YouTube to Instagram, I wouldn't know, and this case study, this documentation will be meaningless to me. Okay, and if you actually want to reach out to me, right, you can actually go and follow this Instagram, right? 6fig Abhi. I don't have any videos or anything right now, but I will be building this personal brand soon. So if you want to reach out to me, you can actually go ahead and follow this page and send me a DM, right? I will take a look at it. Okay, so if you're new here and if you want to know what I'm doing, I'm actually building my Faceless brand on entrepreneurship motivation niche, and I'm using other people's proven content and recreating it with my theme, that is my blue and white theme, right? And I'm finding content from Instagram itself, that I think, yeah, I actually need to check out YouTube and TikTok more to find better content and and transition over to Instagram. So I will be looking forward to do that. I will be doing that in upcoming week, I believe. And I'm posting 2 reels a day, and it takes me about 2 hours to do this, research included, finding content as such from Instagram. It might take a little long if I were to do from TikTok or YouTube. All right, and then I'm not doing any follow unfollow method. If you're doing that, stop it. It hurts your Instagram Instagram stats and algorithm as well, and your reach. So this is my monetizing strategy, right? Shout outs, affiliate offers, digital products, newsletters like Beehive. I'm posting Faceless content. I want to grow followers. followers to build my email list, and then selling affiliate or digital offers to my email list, right? So this is a quick update video. And again, if you actually want to reach out to me, you can go ahead and follow this. And also, if you actually want to learn affiliate marketing by doing YouTube and Facebook traffic strategies, then you can subscribe to this channel. And also, if you want to know more about this Instagram theme page that I'm building, then you can actually subscribe as well, because I will be documenting this weekly, updating this weekly, all the results, the failures, the successes, and everything. By the way, if you have any tips, like if maybe you are doing Instagram and you are watching this video, so if you're doing Instagram, if you're getting better conversion rate, then you can go ahead, take a look at my reels, and give me some advice on why the conversion rate is low, or how can I increase the conversion rate from viewers to followers, things like that. So make sure to let me know about that in the comment section below. And if you actually want to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing, how I made, $0 to $100 per day from scratch, I have a case study that I did, and you can check that out. All right, I will see you in the next one. Cheers.